Welcome to Premier Die Casting Company, located in Avenel, New Jersey. What you are seeing on the video is a CNC machine center, programmable with a program to machine this specific aluminum die casting. This machine center is state-of-the-art, equipped with a rotary indexer so that the part can rotate automatically and be machined from all sides. What you're seeing on the casting is lubricant for the cutters. The part that is being machined is supplied to an office furniture company that makes swing arms for monitors. Here at Premier Die Casting, our core business is aluminum die casting with value-added machining operations, painting operations, and assembly operations to supply our customers a fully integrated solution. We also have design engineers that work with customers' 3D files or part prints to design their concepts into a fully designed die casting. As you can see, there's very little labor in this process, which makes Premier a world-class competitor in the global marketplace. Please visit our website at www.diecasting.com or call us at 732-634-3000. Thank you for your interest in Premier Die Casting Company. We look forward to any inquiries you may have.